Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. Who can tell me what you're learning this week? That's right. You're learning all about on the farm. And who's ever been to the farm? I know I have. Have you? You have? What type of animals do you see at the farm? Yell out those answers so I can hear. Horses. Good. What else? Cows. Excellent. Pigs. Good answer. Ducks. Goats. Those are some great answers. So you named a lot of animals. Who do you think takes care of all those animals? Because it must be a lot of work to take care of those animals, don't you think? The farmer, that's right. And what's a farmer's job? To take care of the animals and what else? To feed them, that's right, to keep them clean. But they sometimes do something else on a farm. They plant something. They plant gardens, right? That's right. They plant vegetables. So today we're going to be reading a story called Noisy Farm. So get your listening ears ready. And then for the activity later, all you need is a pen, a crayon, or a marker. And then you're going to print out the Are You My Mother worksheets. There's 2 pages. They look like this. Okay, so those are 2 pages and that's for later. So have them printed, put them to the side. Have your marker for that or your crayon. All right, here we go. Do you have your listening ears on for our read aloud? Excellent. Let me share my screen and pull it up. So our story is called Noisy Farm by Rod Campbell. It's daybreak on the farm. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the rooster. Wake up, wake up. Woof, woof. Sam the farm dog is awake. He can hear lots of different noises. What animal do you think says cock-a-doodle-doo? A rooster, excellent. And what animal is saying woof, woof? A dog, good job. Where is the dog? Who can tell me? Look in the picture. Use those describing words. It's in the doghouse. Excellent. The dog is in the doghouse. I wonder what type of noises Sam the farm dog will hear next. Let's see. Whoops, sorry boys and girls, I skipped a page. Sam can hear a chugging noise. What could that be? What do you think makes a chugging noise on the farm? Good thinking, the tractor. And who is driving the tractor on a farm? The farmer, good. It's the tractor, off to plow the fields. Where's Sam? Where do you think Sam is, boys and girls? Let's see. It's going to lift a flap for us. Where do you think he could be? Who can tell me where's Sam? And the farmer. Who can tell me where both Sam and the farmer are? They're in the tractor. Excellent. Because it's a farmer's job to take care of the plows in the fields. Sam can hear a running noise. What could that be? It's the rabbit running home. But where are her babies? Oh, where do you think they are, boys and girls? Look in the picture. Oh, some friends said under her belly. Any other guesses? In the bush? Okay, let's see. It's going to lift. Oh, who can tell me where are those baby bunnies? They were in the bush. That's right. They're in their burrow. Can you say burrow? Burrow. Good job. That's their little home when they have babies. It's underground. Sam can hear a mooing noise. What could that be? What animal makes a mooing noise, boys and girls? It's the cow in the barn. But where is her calf? Do you know what a calf is, boys and girls? A baby cow. Where do you think her baby cow is, her calf? Okay, let's see if our guesses are right. I wonder. It was behind the hay. Sam can hear an oinking noise. Oink, oink, oink. What animal could that be on the farm, boys and girls? You know this. A pig. Let's see. It's the pig in the pigsty. But where are her piglets? What are piglets? Who can tell me? Those are baby pigs. Excellent. Where do you think they are? Let's see. Who can tell me where are the piglets? They were behind what? Behind the gate in the, do you remember what this is called? Where the mommy pig is and her babies? The pigsty. Good. How many babies does she have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see, 4 fingers. Excellent. She has 4 piglets, that mommy pig. What animal will be next? Let's see. Sam can hear a clucking noise. Cluck, 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 cluck. What animal could that be on the farm? It's the hen in the hen house. But where are her chicks? So a hen is a mommy or a girl chicken, and chicks are the name of her baby. So where do you think that mommy hen's little chicks are? Looking at the picture, who wants to give a guess? Oh, some friends are saying under her belly. Maybe she's sitting on them to keep them warm. Oh, why do you think that? Because you see something peeping out? I see that too. Let's see if your guess is right. I'm not sure. That was a good observation. You're right. If you said she was sitting on them, you're right. But where are they? Are they under her belly or were they under something else? They were under her wing. Good. And let's count her chicks. How many baby chicks does this mommy hen have? 1, 2, 3, 4. She has 4 baby chicks, just like 4 piglets. Let's see. Sam can hear a bah noise. What could that be? It's the sheep in the field. But where is her lamb? What is a lamb, boys and girls? Who knows? A baby sheep. That's right. Where do you think her baby sheep is? Her lamb is, let's see. It was behind the food and the water. Sam can hear a quacking noise. What could that be? Quack, quack, quack. It's a duck by the pond. But where are her babies? Who knows what a baby duck is called? Yell it out. A duckling. Excellent. Where do you think those baby ducklings are? Look at the picture. We have a pond. We have some bushes. Where do you think those ducklings might be? Okay, let's see. Let's see whose guess is right. Where were those ducklings? They were behind what? The logs or the wood. And how many ducklings do we see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see those 4 fingers again. Excellent. There seems to be a theme. What's the theme, boys and girls? We keep seeing the number 4. There are 4 babies so far on every page. The sun is up now and it's getting hot. Everything is quiet on the farm. But listen, there's a loud snoring noise coming from the barn. Shh, shh. Who could that be? Who do you think makes a snoring noise? Okay, let's see. Who do you think that could be? Oh, who was making the snoring noise? It was the farm dog. Who remembers his name? Sam, good remembering. And where is Sam sleeping? Who can tell me? It looks like he's on maybe a bag of food, right? Or a bag of hay. Shh, let's leave him to sleep. He must have had a long day watching after all those baby animals. So who can tell me some baby animals that we saw in our story? We saw ducklings, that's right. And what else? Piglets, baby bunnies. We did see a lamb, good. What else? A calf, good job, boys and girls. So now that you know some of the words or the names of baby animals, and we saw what the baby looked like and the mommy, do you think you could help me match these pictures? It's called Are You My Mother? And we have baby animals on the left and mommy animals on the right, but they're all mixed up. We have to figure out where is the mommy and match it to the baby, or match the baby to the mommy. And we need, well, I need your help. So do you think you can do that now that we know what these baby animals and mommies look like? Okay, thank you for that. So get out your paper, have a marker ready or a crayon. Colored pencil works too. I have my pink marker. And the first animal at the top on the left is what? A piglet, that's right. So now look on the right side, and who can tell me where the piglet's mommy is? We're looking for the mommy pig. And don't just tell me right there, because I don't know where that is. I need you to describe where that pig is. Use those words. Is it at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom? Or you can tell me it's picture number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, so here's some friends saying it's in the middle. That's right. So in the middle, we have picture 2 or 3. Which picture is Mommy Pig? Number 2, that's right. So take your crayon or your marker, and you're going to draw a line from Baby Piglet to Mommy Pig. I'm going to have to do it like this. Okay, hold on, boys and girls. I'm so sorry. I just got a little message that my battery is running low, so let me plug this in. 1 second. While I'm plugging this in, who can tell me what the next animal is under the piglet? Okay. It's a baby. Oh, it's a baby cow, and that's called a calf. So look on the right side. Who can tell me where baby calf's mommy cow is? We're looking for mommy cow on the right side. Yell out those answers. You can say it's on top of an animal or under. Remember, we're describing. I hear under the pig, so that must be right here. Is this right? Is picture number 3? 1, 2, 3. There's mommy cow. So draw a line from the calf to mommy cow. Mommy cow is under the pig. Okay, who can tell me what baby animal is next? We're looking at the picture under the calf. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby chick. And where is baby chick's mom? We're looking for a chicken. Or what was the other name in the story? A mommy chicken is called a hen. Good remembering. So we're looking for the hen. Who can tell me where the hen is? Under the cow at the where? At the bottom or the top? Good. So we can say the chicken or the hen is under the cow. Or you could say it's the last picture at the bottom. Good describing. So draw a line from the chick to mommy chicken or mommy hen. And the last baby animal on this first page is what? Look at that animal under the chick. It's a lamb, that's right. And what's a mommy lamb called? What's the name of the mom to a lamb? A sheep. So we're looking for the sheep, and the sheep would be on the right side. So where do you think that mommy sheep is? At the top, picture number 1. Nice describing. So now we're drawing a line from the baby lamb all the way up to the sheep. Good job, boys and girls. So we matched our first page. Now we have a second page. So get your second page ready. And we're looking at, again, the first picture on the left. Who can tell me what this baby animal is called? I don't think we did this one in our story. This is a baby goat. And do you know what a baby goat is called? It's pretty silly. It's called a kid, just like you. Baby goats are called kids. And we need to find baby goat's mommy. So where is mommy goat on the right side? At the top, in the middle, or the picture at the bottom? Use those describing words. It's the last picture at the bottom. So draw a line from the kid, which is a baby goat, down to mommy goat. What is the next picture on our list? The picture under the kid. A baby horse. I don't think we did this animal either in the story. And do you know what a baby horse is called? It's called a foal or foal. Can you say foal? Good. So we need to find baby horse's mommy. Where do you think baby horse's mommy is? We have 2 mommy animals left. Picture 1 and picture 2. Which one looks like a baby horse's mom? I agree, the picture at the top. So take your crayon or your marker, and you're going to draw a line from the foal up to mommy horse. And our last picture under the foal is look at the bottom, a duckling. And what's the mommy name for a duckling? A duck. And where do you think mommy duck is on the right side? You could say it's under the horse. Excellent. What else can you say? How else can you describe where mommy duck is? It's in the middle. Excellent. So get your crayon or your marker, and you're going to draw a line from baby duckling up to mommy duck. Great job, boys and girls. Those were a lot of animals. Let's see how many baby animals you helped me match. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We matched 7 baby animals to their mommies. And you boys and girls did a great job. Thank you so much for being great listeners during my story and yelling out your answers to help me figure out where those baby animals were and helping me match babies to their mommies. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you soon. Great work. Have a good day.